Hello friends, welcome to JavaFX GUI tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to load pages into pagination control. The page factory will generate pages and it will give the page to the pagination control. And the pagination control take the responsibility of displaying the page. In the last video, we learned about the page factory. Now we will link our pagination control with the page factory. So first we declare our factory as null. Then inside the initialize method, we set property for our pagination control. First we set page count as 10, then page indicator count as 5. That means there are totally 5 pages and 5 buttons will be displayed initially. Here you can see total number of pages is 10 and number of buttons displayed here is 5. So then we create our label pagination factory and we assign that to our pagination control using the method set page factory. So this is the page factory we constructed in the previous line and we are giving that to the pagination control. Finally, we get observable list for the style. The method here is a get style class. Then to the style class we are adding the style bulleted style. So in the code we will be adding this after examining how this default style works. So after seeing how this default style works, we will set this bulleted style. Now let's go to the demo. Okay, we will go to the controller for our pagination control. So this is the controller and we already have an fxml entry for the pagination control. Now we will declare the factory also. So in the initialize method we will set number of pages 10 and want to show 5 buttons. Then we are setting the page factory. Now we will build this and run the void main. So this is the one we have to run. So it's throwing exception here. Okay, so it's thrown from controller. Here the controller is page content controller. Alright, so we will open this. I think we haven't yet linked it. Alright, so here we have to link the controller. There are pagination controller. So that's not the controller for this page. So this is the one, page content controller. Now we will save it. So page content fxml is saved and quit it. Now we will rebuild once again and run this. And here you can see the page is displayed. At present we are at page 1. Now I am moving to page 4. You can see page is cooked and displayed. Page 4 label 10, 11, 12. So you can use the arrow key to navigate through all the pages. Right, now we will close this and we will change it as 20 and page count as 4. I mean page count 20 and max page indicator count as 4. Will rebuild. Now the pagination control shows only 4 buttons initially. Here you can see there are 4 buttons initially, but total number of pages is 20. Right. Alright, now we will change the style of the pagination control. Here we are setting this style as a bulleted style. Rebuild once again and run the sample. And this time you can see it is in the bulleted style. Alright. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.